Hello friends, glad to have you back. And for the ones who are the new to this channel, I am Obijit and this is my graphic shop. Today I am going to teach you this. Good evening guys. Today I am going to show how to draw one of our most famous Indian folk art, that is Kalamkari art. Let's start. Kalamkari is a type of hand printed or hand block printed cotton textile. Kalamkari refers to the ancient style of hand painting that is done with a tamarind pen using natural dyes. Literal meanings of Kalamkari is kalam, which means pen, and kari, which refers to the craftsmanship, which is derived from a Persian word. Motifs drawn in this ancient art of Kalamkari include flowers, peacock, etc., and also divine characters from Ramayana and Mahabharata. Kalamkari was born out of an art of storytelling. In ancient times, people used to travel from village to village and told stories. Some of them even drew it on a canvas. This was how the art of Kalamkari was born. This art is primarily used to make Kalamkari saris. During the Mughal era, this art of Kalamkari got its recognition. Kalamkari is a very detailed and complicated painting that result in beautiful and elegant designs. Kalamkari designs and colors are very vibrant and bright. After being world famous, the artist modernized Kalamkari design and came up with new ideas and themes. These artists came up with innovative ideas highly influenced by Persian motifs, Hindu mythology and religious symbol that gave an identification of Kalamkari designs. Kalamkari is a 3000 years old art form practiced in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. It is highly popular art form in which hand and block printing are used for making narrative scrolls and panels. The legacy of ancient form of art has been passed on from generation to generation. The most eminent Kalamkari craft involved with the patronage of Mughals and the Golconda Sultanate. Kalamkari literally means a form of painting the cotton fabrics with a column, that is pen, made from a sharp and pointed bamboo nibbed applicator that regulates the flow of color on the fabric. In India, there are two unique styles of Kalamkari art, namely Srikalahasti and the Machilipattanam style. The Srikalahasti style of Kalamkari, in which the pen or the column is used to freehand drawing and filling in the colors, is a complete handwork art. Machilipattanam style of Kalamkari craft involves vegetable dyed block painting of a fabric. It was registered as one of the geographical indications from Andhra Pradesh under the Handicraft Goods by Geographical Indication of Goods Registration and Protection Act 1999. In the Machilipattanam style, Kalamkari designs are generally printed with handcraft blocked intricate details printed by hand. On the other hand, Srikalahasti style includes Kalamkari designs inspired from Hindu mythology that describe the scenes from the epics. Kalamkari designs are also emerged based on the states where it is created. Gujarat and Andhra Pradesh are two prime states where two different types of Kalamkari designs are practiced. Andhra Pradesh borrows its Kalamkari design inspiration from forts, palaces and temples, along with animal and birds motif, while Gujarat borrows its Kalamkari design inspiration from mythological characters. The Kalamkari art form specially depicts epic tales from Hindu mythology such as Ramayana and Mahabharata. It also depicts Buddha and Buddhist art form. Additionally, the Kalamkari patterns include floral motifs, animal forms, and the marhab designs on textiles. Kalamkari art primarily involves earthy colors such as indigo, green, rust, black and mustards. Here I show the kalamkari art using two fishes. I tried to draw two fishes in the form of kalamkari design. I hope I am right. If I am wrong, then please forgive me. And if you guys like my video, love my content, then please give a thumb, like my video, share it with your friends, family, relatives and closer ones. Please guys subscribe my channel, make it such a big channel, big family. I love you all. Please stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. Goodbye. See you soon.